No matter how old you are, irrespective of religion or of nationality, it is the first priority to be healthy and happy. Although there are many ways to be healthy, and they are all worthy as well. But in this fast-paced life, taking time out for oneself is not so easy. Today, man is looking for something which should be easy and simple, so that without having to spend extra time and without having to make painful effort, they could always remain healthy and happy.
Hi friends, now there is absolutely no need for you to take out extra time to be healthy and happy. Considering healthy and happy family as a benchmark, Anjali Foundation, keeping in mind all of your needs, has finally brought about an incredible innovation which is called Easy Yoga Seat.
Come, let's find out. A revolution in society through cultural harnessing. An amazing discovery of Anjali Foundation named Easy Yoga Seat. Let's know more about it.
About 25 years ago, Chairman of Anjali Kitchenware, who is presently Chairman of Anjali Foundation, Shri Atmaram Bhai Patel, has carried out a prolonged research on the process of meditation by the monks of Buddha sect, who would remain seated in the same position for hours together. And then by the name of Easy Yoga Seat, he developed a simple yoga seat which is the easiest method to improve mankind's almost every useful organ.
When I was around 7 years old, my paternal grandpa gave me this easy yoga seat.
Not paternal grandpa, my maternal grandpa. Even I was just 5 years old.
Yeah, sure. Your maternal grandpa is my paternal grandpa.
Right.
We used to sit on it and play video games.
Today I'm studying commerce in Mithibai College. But even today, sitting on this seat, I just love to play games.
And I am doing higher education from London's Kingston University. And now it has become an important part of my travel bag as well. Right from our childhood, Grandpa connected us with this, and thus he made an effort to awaken physical, mental and spiritual awareness in us.
Many of my friends want to know the secret of my fitness. And I give this easy yoga seat suggestion to all of them.
Thank you, Grandpa.
God bless you, son. God bless you.
Thank you, Grandpa.
For happy and healthy life, Easy Yoga Seat from Anjali Foundation. You can perform effortless yoga while doing your regular household chores, and along with it, you will find health and happiness too.
You might be wondering, God knows what kind of yoga one must be doing on this Easy Yoga Seat. But believe me friends, there's nothing special. You can sit on this Easy Yoga Seat and do all those everyday chores absolutely comfortably. For example, talking on the mobile phone or chatting. Or you watch TV as well. Work on your laptop, reading newspaper or otherwise practice your music. Preparation prior to your cooking work. Not only that, you can now sit with your family members and simply gossip. You might be wondering, what is so special about this Easy Yoga Seat? What is so unique that by just sitting on it, you can get so much benefit? Come, let us find out.
Easy Yoga Seat is designed in such a way that its sitting angle helps your body posture to remain erect. Sitting on this, whatever work you may be doing, your back portion will always remain straight, which will prevent bending your back even in old age. This seat provides comfortable posture to the joints of your knees and ankles, and thus you can remain seated in this posture for a long period of time.
The moment I sit on it, I feel a different kind of peace. This is an amazing discovery.
As you can see, this is a Vajrasan posture. But normally, you cannot sit in this posture for a long period of time. But because of scientifically designed Easy Yoga Seat, you can comfortably sit on it for a long period of time. Believe me, sit on it just once. Immediately you will feel the relief. And you will be forced to think that if only you had received it much earlier.
So friends, let us find out how does this Easy Yoga Seat, irrespective of age, makes a positive impact on every individual. Let us start with children. At home, normally children either play or study on table and chair, or sometimes even on beds. But in any situation, these children are never in the same position. Not only that, their backs are bent. But if they were to sit on the easy yoga seat, then not only their body remains erect, but they too remain stable. And besides that, they can pay more attention on study or during playtime. Well, let us find out from them itself how do they feel by using this easy yoga seat.
Yay! Sitting on this and playing video game is really a great fun. I sit on this and even play chess with my father.
For young generation like us, time is always in short supply. But all of us want to remain fit. Easy Yoga Seat provides you without any extra time the easiest way to remain happy and healthy. Come, let's show you. This is Mr. Piyush Verma. After MBA, he's busy doing his own e-commerce startup business. Most of his time is spent on the phone. And at home, he works for hours together sitting on the easy yoga seat.
You see, I never compromise with my work. But along with work, if the body is also benefiting, then what more one can ask for? With Easy Yoga Seat, I have not just found physical fitness, but mental peace and concentration also. Going by today's lifestyle, this is a very innovative product.
For those who are committed to music, this easy yoga seat is a blessing for them. You may be connected with whichever aspect of music. By simply sitting on this easy yoga seat, you will be physically, mentally, and artistically fulfilled and enriched, my friends.
For those who are practicing musicians, concentration is very important. Because of easy yoga seat, I can sit for hours together and practice. One can do easy yoga as well. This effort from Anjali Foundation has definitely brought about a new revolution for those who are practicing music.
Because your stomach remains straight, your metabolic process and digestive system remains perfect.
As you can see here that after eating food or after intake of the food, when you sit on the bended knees, then the whole blood circulation becomes faster in the stomach area, upper body part, and that's why digestion becomes very easy. Because the body remains in a straight line, the spinal cord gets relief, all the day's tiredness is gone, plus because of this, your mental concentration, the concentration of our brain, that is very beneficial. Our knees and the flexibility of our knees and of the ankle, that remains very good. It is also very helpful because it is easy to carry, easy to keep it, and easy to use it. So it is my advice. I'm using this yoga seat for the last 10 years in my own personal life, and I feel scientifically it is wonderful.
Me and many of my yoga teacher friends who conduct classes, they have started using yoga seat in their classes. This is a multitasking tool. You can use this anywhere and everywhere. For example, reading newspaper, like playing chess or carom. You can sit on it and talk about business matters. You can sit on it and watch TV, video games, or even read a book very comfortably and very peacefully.
So you saw, along with common people, doctors and yoga teachers too are referring only easy yoga seat. This innovation of Anjali Foundation is a mantra to lead a healthy and happy life for everyone.
For elderly people, this easy yoga seat works like a miracle potion. You can take the support of anything while sitting on this. And yes, if you are suffering from some kind of knee problems, then you must take doctor's advice. I would like to request every single senior citizen that just for once, they must sit on this easy yoga seat.
Before sitting on this, I used to feel perhaps I won't be able to sit on it. I used to feel scared. But after I sat on this with the support of sofa, then it seemed very easy for me. I feel very relaxed after sitting on this. Then I rang up my friends and told them about this. They were very excited. Now every Sunday, all our friends gather together and sit on this easy yoga seat and we refresh our childhood memories.
From the last so many years, early morning, I sit on this very yoga seat and read Ramayana. One can achieve both the things, God's devotion and getting a healthy body also.
Earlier, I bought this seat out of curiosity, but the entire family loved it. After that, everyone wanted to sit on it. Then I ordered for everyone. Now the children remind me that, Papa, you haven't sat on the yoga seat today. By the way, I have kept an easy yoga seat in the office. Whenever I get free time, I sit on it for 5-10 minutes. I feel so relaxed.
Sitting on this, I do all my pre-cooking work. And yes, I watch all my favorite TV serials with my mother-in-law sitting on this. And now it has become such a good habit, and that too naturally, that we always sit erect. The bad habit to sit with a bending back is a thing of the past now.
Easy Yoga Seat is an excellent product for giving gift on any occasion or a return gift. By giving it as a gift, instead of just one person, you are making the entire family physically, mentally, and spiritually happy and strong.
Grandma? Grandma?
What is the matter, son? Nani is praying. Tell me, what do you want?
Mummy, tell me one thing. When I sit on this yoga seat and study, then I memorize quickly. How is that?
You know, when you sit like this, then your body and brain both become stable, so that you can focus on your study in a better way. Understood?
Then I must tell my friends about this yoga seat.
You must tell them.
Whenever I get tired after dancing, I come and sit on this. It makes me feel very relaxed and I get a new kind of energy.
For pregnant ladies, this yoga seat is very beneficial. They can use it according to their conveniences. And it is extremely easy to use it. First of all, just keep this easy yoga seat next to you. And then you just have to sit in Vajrasan posture. And after sitting in this Vajrasan posture, you please bring this yoga seat in between your legs exactly like this and then sit on it. Isn't that too easy?
You know, normally pregnant ladies do have severe back problems. If a pregnant woman sits on easy yoga seat, then she would feel a great deal of comfort and ease. And even the child in mother's home also feels a sense of security and comfort in a better way.
Pregnancy is a happy experience. Whenever I sit on this easy yoga seat and read Anjali Foundation's book on Mother's Womb or read Memory Diary based on my experience, then I feel secured about my child's healthy and golden future.
I used to use yoga seat when I was pregnant. Today my daughter is 1 year old, and like me, she too is physically healthy and happy.
Look at her face very carefully. Her face is full of joy and peace, isn't it? There is no tension of work, and you can see even on forehead there are no worry lines, and the body as erect as ever. What more does one need for a good and healthy body?
After the Indian yoga's publicity reached far and wide, Sanyukta Rashtra Sangh, that is United Nations, announced 21st June as International Yoga Day. And most of the world's population is celebrating it in their country. Since last many years, along with India, people in different countries are using Easy Yoga Seat on a large scale.
I personally give easy yoga seat demo over there. Because of this, whichever lady is coming, they should try it out, and whichever way they feel relaxed comfortably, they should experience it in yoga in a much better way, so that they can buy easy yoga seat.
Friends, on the easy yoga seat, we can perform many of the light asanas, which we call Sukshma asanas. We can do them. For example, the neck exercise. We can also perform moving the hands in a circle. And friends, there are some pranayams, the respiratory pranayam. We can do them as well. For example, you sit on it and do Kapalbhati. You can sit on it and do Bhasrika as well. You can sit on it and do Anulom Vilom pranayam. That is respiratory process. And Bhramri and Omkar's Nad Gunj. That also you can do. And the best, the most beneficial process is that of meditation, in which you must keep your body erect. For that, yoga seat is the best tool.
Easy Yoga Seat means Sahaj Yoga Seat. You can get it from your nearest medical store or from a department store very easily. And for the home delivery, you can also contact us by the numbers given on the screen below.
So do remember, Easy Yoga Seat, that is Sahaj Yoga Seat. For you, for us, is important for everyone.